Hey everybody, it's Deez here. Just about to depart from the GO station and head to Oshawa and meet up with Dave. So, I'll check in once I'm on the train. Peace! Next stop's Oshawa, and I'm gonna meet up with Dave there. I think he's on the train behind me right now. So, yeah. Be on our adventure soon. We'll talk to you in a little bit. I think Dave's gonna be on the train after me. So probably have to wait for him for a little bit.
Hey, I'm coming into Whitby, so whatever the time was that it took you to get from Whitby to Oshawa.
Like 5-7 minutes.
Cool.
Alright.
Then I'll see you in a minute.
Yeah man, I'm just here now.
Alright.
Alright. Buddy, look who I found! Sweet setup!
Oh, smells like beer red. I need to eat.
Me too. I didn't have time. Yeah, Wendy's.
You have money?
Yeah.
Wendy's is the first bridge that way.
Yeah, Wendy's sounds great. So let's go burger
Oh,
hunting.
that's your clip thing. Now I get
Yeah, it's a clamp.
clip. Yeah, I wish I had that on at least one of my legs.
Woo! Yeah. All right, Wendy's it is. So we couldn't find a Wendy's, so it looks like we'll be hunting Whoppers today at the Burger King. So, and then we got like 4 or 5 hours of riding ahead of us. So it's gonna be a fun day. Time to hunt some Whoppers. That makes sense. Thank you. Oh. Got the Whoppers. Yeah, Whopper time. Whopper, Whopper, Whopper. Whopper. Whopper.
Yeah.
Oh, I love Whoppers. It's so good. Yum, yum. So yeah, we just got some Whoppers, had a little bit of food, and now we're getting on our way. We got a few hours ahead of us before we can make camp.
Guys, so it looks like we got our first dedicated bikeway of the adventure going on. Ah! Lost my shape.
I'm sorry I laughed. Sketchy bridge. Oh, what a cool bridge. Woo! It's like the wooden roller coaster at Wonderland. Woo! What a fun little bridge. Woo! Bump. Right.
It's so very specific.
All pets must be secured on a leash, not exceeding 2 meters. That is very specific.
Goodness forbid you should have a 2.01 meter leash. What is that?
Oh, can't forget the Whopper. Can't forget the Federal Whopper Reserve.
You the king. You the king.
Woo! Make sure we register.
There's an honor system. Did you see that little house on the mailbox thing?
Yeah.
Woo. Watch out your tires.
That was bumpy. Welcome, cyclists, to Clarington. Went the wrong way. Now we gotta go back a little bit and go out so we can continue on the waterfront trail, because this one just hitting dead end. So we just got our way past Darlington nuclear plant, and now we're in this field of high power lines. I can feel the grossness.
It doesn't even take a gram of uranium to fill all these lines. You know?
Wow.
So it's gonna look like this coming up ahead.
Awesome.
Or we could just stay.
Are we gonna get closer to the lake again?
Or we could stay on the highway. I don't know, there's no roads at all.
No, we just go this little bit. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. Oh, not far from Port Hope.
Flowers everywhere, baby's breath and daisies, everything.
Park. Or what was it?
Amusement park.
Yeah, at the amusement park.
Yeah.
There was all the little figures and stuff and art. Look, we found another gnome village, guys. I think they're following us, bro. What'd you find over there? Oh, look, there's some deer even. Some wooden deer, bro. Look at all this art those people have left. So cool. Paint your own and help our fairy neighborhood grow. Please add your own painted fairy house. Enjoy. Very cool, bro. So we're just pulling into the town called Clarington right now. And we're gonna go to the port and have a little break. Port Clarington. I just got a bug in my eye. Ah. What are you doing here?
Just quickly charging up my gear.
Found one of these handy charge mobility stations.
Let's see if this works. Big ol' bongo.
Big bang.
Fantastic.
That looks like a lot of fun. Look at this mess of wires we got going charging here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
5, yeah.
I got my phone and my GoPro batteries charging here.
Look at the screen, everything's running like.
So we're just having a little break here. I'm gonna eat some food and maybe smoke a joint. But yeah, back to it in a little bit. Talk to you soon. So we're just leaving from our break, passing by an orchard. This thing is a mess. Absolute mess. Sorry about the noise, guys. Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Hello, cows. Moo. Moo. Oh, look at the little one lying in the grass. Hello. I don't know. That was fast. That was really fast. Holy shit. Fucking ripping her, bud. Holy shit. Woo! Wow. Hello again, everybody. Dee's here. So we're just entering Port Granby right now, and yeah, we're just a little ways away from our destination at the beach where we're gonna camp for the night. Right? So yeah, I'm having a great time so far. Smooth sailing. I'm gonna let you go because it's getting a little bit fast. Okay, peace. This thing recording? Okay. So, sorry guys, I'm out of breath. We just made it to Port Hope. There's the sign. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm really out of breath. Big hills back there, up and down, up and down.
3 in a row, eh? Like kilometer long ones.
Holy cow, bud. So,
and the descent is so quick. You don't have time to rest because.
No, I was trying to go fast enough down the hills that I'd make it up the next one.
The hills, though, it takes you 10 minutes to get up one,
yeah,
and about 45 seconds to get down. It's not 10 minutes up and 10 minutes rest. Not by a long shot.
Yeah, so we made it to Port Hope, which we're going to be at the beach there. So, anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Peace.
Peace. Camp quick.
Woo! Yeah, I'm cooling down now. I was just really hot.
Down, all around the town. Down, all around the town.
Are you okay? I smoked the joint, not you.
Well, what? I'm tired of being on my board, bro.
You're bored?
Yeah, I just gotta get off my board. Fuck,
oh,
where we get a cap. Peace. I'm gonna film this a little bit. Woo! Alright guys, we found a wicked place to camp here. We're gonna check it out and see how it goes.
What are you talking about? This was the first place we camped. We know where we are.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, here, just here.
Excellent. With the bell to notify people?
Oh,
Well, I'm not camping, wink wink.
Woohoo! Yeah. Woo! This is one heck of a trail we're on. Wow! This is a lot of fun. Woo! Woo! I think we're made it to the beach now. Woo! That was a fun little ride.
Oh, hold here.
I got stuck. So we're here just checking out where we're gonna camp tonight. And apparently this is where we camped last year in hammocks. This is our spot?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is our spot. Oh yeah, just tucked in here, that's right. Okay. So, me and Dave was just chatting and stuff. Just looking for campsites. I think we're gonna go just over there. A beautiful spot on the beach. It's starting to get dark, so we gotta get our stuff set up so we're not mucking around in the dark.
Great. That was great. I didn't even know. I just went to turn it on and it turned off. I should have it on while I'm strapping my gear.
Should always have the camera on. Just always have it on. Just too bad we don't have enough memory or batteries.
We're powerful now.
That's right. Okay, so that's gonna be my home for the night. And it looks perfect. Fine by me. What an amazing view we got from our camp spot. And just over here. Gotta go get my sleeping bag and stuff off my bike.
All in all, it was a perfect day.
Oh, it was great.